What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? Trying something new here with the Osmo Mobile 2 so it can be my camera person. Okay, finally getting back to the motorcycle project. If you go back in my videos, you'll see where I got this and I kind of reviewed it and put it on, and it was more of an installation video. As far as a review on it, you know, I've had to modify the brackets a little bit. I broke them, I fixed them because I've relocated my dash cluster. So I'm gonna try to relocate the dash a little bit better. However, the way that the windscreens mount to the FZ07, it's just too much of an angle. So it doesn't really do much, as the windscreen doesn't really deflect much wind. It kind of really just shoots it right towards your head. Not a bad windscreen for the price. It's kind of ugly. As far as the size of it and everything, it needs to have a tiny little, something to kind of fill up this area. I'm gonna be modifying this one. That's all today's video is about. Something to get back on motorcycle projects and kind of take a break from the Jeep. So yeah, let's do it. The first thing I'm gonna do is remove this GoPro mount. Adhesive backs are no joke. Now I'm just gonna take a simple piece of, shoot, it doesn't reach across. Now I've taken two pieces of printer paper and taped them together, effectively almost doubling the length of the paper. I'm gonna lay it across the top. Just kind of crease it without trying to move it too much. Keep it in place. Now I'm going to take a pencil and rub it across the top so that the pattern translates to the paper. I'm just rubbing the side of the pencil lid across the edge. So it transfers through the paper. Now I'll cut that out. Now I'll take the pattern, fold it in half, match up the ends, lining up the top seam, and then creasing it down the center to find the center. I have a crease going down the center. Since the top part of the windscreen is wider than where I'm going to cut it down to, I have to bring the template in. So now that I have my center line, I can figure out how much I need to fold over to bring this pattern in. Now I've figured out how much I had to fold to bring it in. It comes out to about an inch. I just eyeballed it. I just pushed the edges in until they met the width of where I'm going to cut it down to, and just folded it a crease down the middle. Now I'll probably put tape across the back here to hold it. Now taking a tape measure, I'm going to measure down from the top corner 5 1/4 inches. Make a mark to line up my stencil or my template. doing this on each side. Now I'll take my template, line it up with the top of the corners at that 5 1/4 mark. Trying to make sure I keep it centered. Now I'll trace the template onto the windscreen. Now we have our line marked across our windscreen. So to cut this off, I'm just going to hand hold a hacksaw blade. I'm holding it so that the teeth are facing down so that I can just pull down on it to cut. This part is kind of nerve-wracking because I'm getting into the cut now. I'm pretty far into the cut and I don't want it to crack. At least not into the part that I'm keeping. So we'll see how it goes. All right, there it is. Now I'm just gonna take a file, clean up this edge, even it out a little bit. But that's pretty much it. That's gone. I spaced this bracket out further to give me more clearance off of my ignition area, and it brings the windscreen out with the dash. About a 1/4 inch spacer underneath each bolt. So that should give me some more clearance, and now I'm ready to bolt this on. Yeah. That looks pretty good. I think I will probably spray the whole thing flat black, but I'm gonna try it like that for now. See how it does. Cool. All right, well, that's gonna do it for this video, so I will see you in the next one. It's late now, I'm tired. Bye. I did end up going ahead and painting the windscreen to match the bike, and I couldn't let it be. I had to show you. So now it matches body color, same paint, and holy cow, does it make a difference. It's like a brand new windscreen. I just bought it that way or something. Threw on an extra light here too, so it would help show it a little bit better in here. So much of the bike is dark, but now it almost looks like it's from the factory, matching body color. But man, I think it looks good. That flat black, it's kind of a grayish black. It's still kind of curing a little bit, so it'll actually probably lighten it up once it fully cures. Just like the tank was a lot darker when I originally sprayed it, but it's same paint. Awesome. I like it. Alright, now that's it. Thanks for watching.